Sarvebhyo Sarvabhyasya Namo Namaha. I am Dr. Atul Sharma. Today we are going to discuss about the Varnashrama system as revealed in the ancient India. India is a very rich for so many scriptures like Veda, Upanishad, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Purana, etc. Vedas are the scientific literature where we find a pen picture of religious, social, cultural, political system of the then Indian society. Now, Varnashrama Dharma. There is two words, Varna and Ashrama. And Varnashrama Dharma is one of the most important aspects of the Vedic society. Varnashrama Dharma, there are four material divisions called Varnas and four spiritual divisions called Ashramas. In the then Indian society, there are four Varnas or social orders, namely Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. As well as the life of a person is divided into four ashramas or spiritual orders, namely Brahmacharya, Garastha, Vanaprastha and Sannyasa. Now, it is already mentioned that there are four Varnas, Brahmanas, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. Among the four Varnas, the Brahmanas are considered the head of the society. In the 19th Sukta of 10th Mandala of the Rig Veda, it is said that the four Varnas are the part of the Veda Purusha. Brahmanosya mukhamasit bahurajanya kritaha urutadasya yadvasya padvang sudra jayata. Brahmanas are the intellectual class of the society, and Jajana, Dana and Adhyayana is the common duty for a Brahmana. Again, Jajana, Patigraha and Adhyapana, these are the main occupation of the Brahmanas. Then Kshatriya, that is administrative class, which is considered the arms of the society. Like the Brahmana, Jajana, Dana and Adhyayana is the common duty of a Kshatriya also. But again, taking role as an administrator of the country is the main occupation of the Kshatriya. A Kshatriya is the protector of the society, protector of the human being. Vaishya is called productive class of the society. The Vaishya represent the belly of the society. Jajana, Dana and Adhyayana, these are the common duty of the Vaishya, like the Brahmana and Kshatriya. But similarly, agriculture, business, cow protection, etc. are the main occupations of the Vaishyas. The fourth class is Shudra, and it represents the legs of the society. They always busy to offer various services to the other three Varnas called Brahmana, Kshatriya and Vaishya. Their services were seen as a valuable contribution to the smooth functioning of the Vedic society. Then we come to the ashrama system. It is said that the life of a person is divided into 4 ashramas or spiritual orders. Among the 4 ashramas, Brahmacharya ashrama is the first one. The whole student life is called Brahmacharya ashrama. Then come Gahrastha ashrama, and it is married life, and it is the second quarter of the life. All the ashramas are for spiritual advancement, but only the household life allows making money. So it is called as the source of the other 3 ashramas. Next, Vanaprastha ashrama. The stage of retirement from family life is called Vanaprastha ashrama. It is the 3rd quarter of life. The 4th ashrama is called Sannyasa ashrama. It is the last stage of life. The sannyasi leaves his family in order to give up any attachment to his wife and children and enter for spiritual advancement. These are the 4 ashramas. Now we come to the conclusion, and after the smooth analysis of the 4 varnas and 4 ashramas, it is seen that the 4 varnas as well as the 4 ashramas have a prominent role in the society. For the upliftment of the society, they work jointly with a good mind. All the varnas have own power to give service for the better benefit of the society. Similarly, the 4 ashramas also have a particular role in the society. From the ashrama system, we can able to know the lifestyle of the person of the then Indian society. The Varnashrama Dharma, as revealed in the then Indian society, have a relevance in the present society also. Therefore, we should have a good aim to study the original picture of these aspects, by which we can able to get the legal information to implement the actual activity of various aspects of the then Indian society. Thank you. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pasyantu ma kachchit dukkha bhavet. Om Shantihi, Om Shantihi, Om Shantihi.